Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to change lock screen wallpaper on Mac. So let's get started. Changing the lock screen wallpaper on Mac can be done in a few steps, but it depends on the macOS version you are using. I'm using macOS Sonova at the moment, so let's get started. Firstly, download any photo you want to keep as a lock screen, then make sure that it is on the PNG file. In order to convert to PNG file, double press on it, then tap on the quick info and tap on the convert image option available there. Then simply change the file into PNG. Now you have a PNG file. We will keep this as a lock screen of your Mac. Now all you have to do is tap on the go option available there and search for the folder. And make sure to type down the same folder name as shown in the screen and tap on the folder. After that, you will get to see the photos option available in the folder. Simply delete it and delete the folder file option of the lock screen. Then simply drag that PNG photo to the lock screen. Now restart your Mac. All you have to do is restart your Mac. You will have to enter your Mac password first of all in order to change the wallpaper. Now simply tap on the Apple icon option available in the top left corner and restart your MacBook. And here you can see the lock screen is changed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.